I don't know, Sid. I don't know, OG. What you think?
Look good.
Look good to me. Look better than it did before we got here, don't it?
Yep.
Doesn't it?
No runs, no streaks.
No runs, no streaks,
No errors.
no errors. Let's go up here and check out this stone. Walkway looks pretty good. You got a little,
Yeah, I see that. I
got a
just
little
saw
spot right there. We
Yeah.
gotta take care of that, OG.
that.
Actually, look at that whole little.
Okay,
you
coming
see
back
little
here.
thing.
Yeah.
Probably just hit it again,
Yeah.
real quick, like.
How's that stone look?
About to find out in a minute. Oh yeah, it looks good to me. The alarm didn't go off, did it?
Nope.
That's a win. That's a win. I'll take it. Yeah, we hit this again real quick. Like, actually, post-treating it might knock it out. But go ahead and hit it. You right here. It's up to you. Now that's a boo-boo. Trying to be landscapers now. Trying to be a landscaper. Watch OG. Watch this landscaper. The power washer and a landscaper at the same time. At the same damn time. Look, look. Them knees get the wearing on OG. He be like, bump that. Get that pressure off them knees. Get that stress off the knees. You need some more holes. You want me to let it out some? So you can stretch it out? Get out, get away from it? How about that? There we go. That's better. Now one thing, that driveway popping.